a great choice today with the 2020 Toyota Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, power liftgate, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, power windows, electronic stability control, fog lights, rear window defroster, heated steering wheel, security system, trip computer, heated front seats, tachometer, remote keyless entry, power moonroof, panic alarm. Come take a test drive today.